inside that hole to turn the Xbox on. Well, this is what you guys have all been waiting for, a new Forza video. This is my Volkswagen minibus. I put a new design on it to make it look more like, I guess, original or whatever. It doesn't. I tried to make it look like the barn find. I don't know how this Xbox still works. It's been doing this since 2008. Now, I have not had it since then. That's just when it was made. Other people have had it before me. I'm not the first person to have it, but I'll definitely be the last. Stupid camera. Something feels off. Let me check my settings. So, I have two things in my settings that I only mess with for racing to give me a boost, and that's ABS and the simulation steering. Now, I use a Xbox controller, but even though the simulation steering is for a wheel, but I don't care. I can use it, and it gives me a boost on my money. So whenever I'm not racing, I turn it to normal. I turn my ABS on. Having a little sister is definitely not the best. Keeps on screaming my name every half second. And we almost stay up. Finally. It's just so annoying. I do have an idea for you guys if you are trying to get a boost on your money when you play Forza Horizon 2, which I doubt anybody's playing anymore, but if you are, here's some tips. So first, make your own custom one. Opponent difficulty, insane, rewind on, because you're going to need it. cosmetic damage. It doesn't do anything. Don't even know why it's in difficulty. But that's on you if you want it on or off. It doesn't mess with anything. Drive line off. Shifting manual. Unless you feel like manual with clutch. But this is just what I use. Traction control off. Steering normal. Braking ABS on. For like if you're just driving and not racing, but if you are racing, ABS off and simulation steering. You will get $53,000 every time you race in the Horizon Finale race. It is very effective, very good. It's definitely worth it now. Simulation steering is a little weird, so it'll take some time to get used to. And one thing you have to watch out for is when your car swerves, it starts doing that. Like it swerves left and right, just rewind and try and keep it straight. That's the only way you can prevent that. Nothing else can. Or slowing down, I guess. And having a car with very good grip is definitely a lifesaver. I'm far away from where I want to be. This spot here is where I like to drift. Because it's so open. It's an open area. And I don't have to worry about the stupid AI, which seems to be crashing into my car all the time, ruining everything. I swear to God, my mouth does not stay. The struggles of not having a tripod and a proper camera. I swear I am hearing things. A car that I recommend for drifting would be this BMW. Let me see what it is. It is a 1997 BMW M3. The Toyota Supra is good, and really any Nissan. Sorry, camera problems, am I right? So that'll be all for today. Hope you guys had a good time, and I'll catch you on the next one. See you soon.